Sup fuckers. I have not used my big backpack blower ever since I got this little handheld blower because this thing is just so lightweight and compact and easy to use, and it will damn near do anything that you need it to. Plus you don't have to mess with mixing gas, toting around a big heavy blower. Ain't nobody got time for that. If y'all want to check this blower out, I'm going to leave the link at the bottom. This one I'm using here in this video is the 1000G. This is the most powerful one. It has a ton of power. I use this thing to blow off our patio, the furniture. I blow off grass clippings off the lawnmower, clean my equipment with it, blow out radiators, air filters. You can use it to dry your vehicle also. Y'all go check this thing out. I promise you will not be disappointed.